Hello, my dear student. Geometry lecture number 3. Chapter number 2 Pythagoras theorem. In this lecture, I am going to explain you some more example from practice sheet 2.2, page number 43. Okay. Question number 4. In triangle ABC, point M is midpoint of side BC. If AB square plus AC square is equal to 290 cm square, AM is equal to 8, find BC. Okay, now this is what your triangle ABC. ABC, M is midpoint of BC and therefore AM is equal to 8 median. AB square plus AC square is equal to 290 cm square given. Find BC. Okay, now try to understand solution. Since M is midpoint of side BC, sec AM is median, and therefore by Apollonius theorem, AB square plus AC square is equal to 2AM square, AM is median square, plus 2BM square. Now then you substitute values. 290 is equal to 2, AM is equal to 8 square plus 2BM square. Simplify this. 290 is equal to 128 plus 2BM square, and therefore BM 2BM square is equal to 290. This you transfer on this side. So 290 minus 128 gives you 162, and therefore BM square is equal to 162 upon 2 is equal to 81, and therefore BM is equal to 9 centimeter. Now BM is equal to 9 centimeter, but you know you want BC. So this is the midpoint, and therefore BM and MC are what equal, and therefore BC is equal to 2BM. Okay, now but BC is equal to 2BM, midpoint property, and therefore BC is equal to 2 into 9 is equal to 18, and there 2 into 9 is equal to 18, and therefore BC is equal to 18 centimeter. Here the unit is given, and therefore you have to write unit. Okay, otherwise your mark will cut out. Now then I will explain you next question. Question number 5. Now this question is slightly complicated. Try to understand this question. Okay. Now what is given? Quadrilateral PQRS is rectangle. Point T is in the interior of rectangle. This point is T is what inside the rectangle anywhere. And if you join this, means this TS, TP, TQ and TR, then prove that TS square plus TQ square is equal to TP square plus TR square. Okay. Now this is complicated. Construction is what very important. Okay. Now I will explain you construction and properties. Construction. Draw sec AB parallel side SR such that P dash A dash S dash Q dash B dash R dash. Okay. Now try to understand. Now this is what this is rectangle PQRS. This AB is parallel to SR. Now you know in rectangle opposite sides are parallel to each other, and therefore this PQ is parallel to SR, and this AB, line AB is parallel to SR, therefore PQ is parallel to AB is parallel to what SR, means these three are what parallel to each other. Okay, and therefore this part and this part is equal. Similarly this part and this part is equal, means PA is equal to QB and AS is equal to BR. And you also know that PS is equal to QR because opposite sides of what? Rectangle. Okay, now all these three you have to use. Now then I will explain you proof. Okay, now in proof, in acute angle triangle PTS, now acute angle triangle PTS. Now this is the acute angle triangle PTS. This angle is acute, this angle is acute. So you want TS. So TS square in this acute angle triangle, TS square is equal to remaining two sides, means PT square plus PS square. Now it is acute, therefore minus 2 PS into, now TS is there, therefore you take what? This part, so PA. So TS square is equal to TP square plus PS square minus 2PS into PA. Okay, so this statement is very important. Okay, now in acute angle triangle PTS, TS square is equal to TP square plus PS square minus 2PS into PA. Reason, relation between acute angle triangle. Similarly, in acute angle triangle TQR, so this is TQR is also an acute angle triangle. So this angle is acute, this angle is acute. Now this side is opposite to this acute angle, and therefore you write down relation TQ square is equal to remaining two side, means TR square plus this QR square. Now this QR is base, so minus 2QR, and you are non TQ is there, therefore you take what? This part, so BR into BR. Okay, now the statement is this: in acute angle triangle QTR, TQ is equal to TR square plus QR square minus 2QR into BR. Relation between acute angle triangle. Okay, now this is statement number 1, this is statement number 2. If you add this statement 1 and 2, you will have left hand side. So therefore, adding 1 and 2, TS square plus TQ square is equal to TP square plus TR square plus PS square plus QR square minus 2PS into PA minus 2QR into BR. Okay, now this statement is important. Statement number 3. But quadrilateral PQRS is rectangle and AB parallel SR, therefore PQ parallel AB parallel SR, and therefore PA is equal to QB, AS is equal to BR, and PS is equal to QR. PS and QR what? Opposite side, equal. Statement number 4. Now whatever this value I substitute over here. Okay, so from 3 and 4, TS square plus TQ square is equal to TP square plus TR square plus, for this QR you substitute PS, and therefore PS square plus PS square is equal to 2PS square minus 2PS into PA minus 2. Again for this QR you substitute PS into BR. Okay, then is equal to TP square plus TR square plus 2PS square minus this 2PS, from this minus 2PS into PA and minus 2PS into BR, take PS common, to 2PS common into bracket PA plus BR. Okay, now then is equal to TP plus TP square plus TR square plus 2PS square minus 2 PS into, again for this PA you substitute QB, because PA is equal to QB. Okay, and that means 2 PS into bracket QB plus BR, and then QB plus BR is nothing but what? It is QR. Okay, so therefore is equal to TP square plus TR square plus 2PS square minus 2PS, and this QB plus BR is equal to QR, and again for this QR you substitute what? PS. Okay, so therefore TS square plus TQ square is equal to TP square plus TR square plus 2PS square minus 2PS, and this is also PS, so 2PS square, so plus and minus get cancelled, and only TP plus TR square is there, and therefore TS square plus TQ square is equal to TP square plus TR square. Okay, so this is slightly complicated, so you go through this video again and again so that you understand. Okay, now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and if you have any question, put in comment box. Thank you. Take care.